14, Sir Nerfo. See you again soon. Sir Manny, thank you, Sir Manny. Thank you so much, Sir Manny. See you again po. Thank you. This is me, not 13, me under 47. Ah, you're under 47? Oh. Thank you, Sir Mikwan. Our age is not so far. I am 48 and you are under 47. Under 47. You're exactly older. How old are you? I am 16 years old. Wow, it's too young. You're teens. You're a teens age. Enjoy your teens age in the farm. Norfa? Farm. Ayan, thank you, Norfa. You are very beautiful. Sabi ka. I am very beautiful, ah. You're only 16. You're only 16 years old. You are very beautiful. Thank you for seeing me. For seeing me beautiful, but I'm not beautiful. So many beautiful younger girl. Not me. I'm not beautiful. You are very beautiful. Thank you. Oh my God. Hindi na ako nakapag-start magkuha ng ticket nito. 34. Ayan. Hello guys. Thank you for staying my live. Sir Manete, Sir Mikwan, thank you po. Min 1 to 47. Yeah, I know because you told you under 47. That's why 47 down, 47. Younger than me. Sir Mikwan, thank you, Sir Mikwan. Goodbye, Norfab. Goodbye. Thank you, Sir Norfab. For visiting my live, Sir Nor. Thank you. Age not meaning. How your heart. How your heart. My heart is okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Sir Mikwan, thank you for staying my live. Sir Mikwan. Ayan, 9 people here. Thank you, 9 people here in my live. Thank you for staying my live, guys. AIDS is just a number. Ako ay may gagawin. Wow. Gaganto ako ng ticket. Naka 45 minutes na ako nakipag-chikan. Ako po ay naka 36 minutes na nakikipag-chikahan na para mag-start na pong mag-ayos ng ticket. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. At ako po ay mag-aayos naman ng ticket. Yan. Staying my life, guys.